Alright, so I got a simple mod today. I picked up some, I guess, Domino or Domino, whatever you call them, grips. I'm gonna install these today. Super simple. Remove the old grips, put the new ones on. Easy peasy. Let's get to it. Alright, so that is a T30. Remove the bar end first. Easy peasy. Just like that, bar end's out. Now, I'm gonna remove this grip. Easy enough, you just peel it off. It looks like there's a tube. There's a little bit of glue on there, some grip glue. Compressed air would probably make this easier, but I don't have any right now, so we're just gonna fight this off. Just roll it off probably. Or I could just cut them off, that's what a lot of people do. There we go. Easy enough. Let's see. So I have the two grips. One of them does seem to be a little bit. This one has a bigger hole. Bigger hole is going to go on the throttle side. This one's stiffer, has more support because this one's going on a tube. This one's just going on the bar end. So this one will go on the side with the clutch. This side will go on the side with the brake on the throttle. If that makes sense. It's late, but I think I explained it good enough. Let's see if we can get this on here without struggling too much. Alright, finally got it on. Took a little bit of struggling, but I got it back on. Now I can put these back on, the bar end back on, and do the other side. There we go, bar end is on. It's not going nowhere, power works good. It's like there's a little red spacer in there, we can take a look at that. So there we go, we got the grips installed. The only thing I don't like is that they had that little red spacer in there, but it's fine. If I don't like it, I'll just take it off and cut that piece off, but for now, all is working good. Bar end's back on. We will have some brake levers and, brake lever guard and clutch lever guard coming soon. So this bar end is gonna go, and then we're having new levers coming soon, so. But for now, this looks good, I'm happy with it. Might be a little crooked, but looks good to me. Let's do the other side. Same process, remove the bar end. I dropped it, it's fine. These are getting replaced with brake lever guards. Some more. Bam. This one's off. Finally. This takes a whole lot of wiggling, but I got it back on. Now we can put this bar end back in. Perfect. I love the way that looks. Might bring it down a little bit more so that they're both even, but That's about it. There we go. Push this mirror back out. But this looks pretty nice. Look at that. It's a little Domino grips. They look pretty damn good. I'm happy with it. I would say they're pretty easy to install, just a little twisting, a whole lot of twisting. I guess if you have compressed air, it'd probably be a little bit easier, but it's not bad. Next mod will probably, well, for you guys, it'll be in the next clip, but this will be here either today or probably tomorrow. But we have a gas cap, quick release, so that's gonna be nice. It'll clean this up and make it nice and uniformly be black and red. Also, I picked up a battery tender. So if you don't know, you probably should know, but since it's Texas and currently it's cold as shit, it's like 30 degrees, maybe 27. I think it was like 20 in the morning. It's ridiculous, but I'm not riding. Won't be riding anytime soon. This thing will be sitting here. So I'm gonna put it on a tender. And luckily, I guess the previous owner, whoever had this, already installed a little tender. So if you don't know, for the Ducati Monsters, the battery is right here, which is very inconvenient if it goes dead and you need to change it. This is not fun to access, so there's this little tender right here. So I can just plug it up. So let's do that right now. So that way we can keep the battery fully charged for when the weather gets nice. If anyone's curious, this is pretty much how it looks. It's just a charger, tender, plug it into the wall. This end will plug into the bike, like so. Easy enough. This plugs into the wall, keeps a little status so we can see how the battery's doing. Plug it to the bike, and it'll keep it charged. Also, we have this, I guess, in case you want to plug into the battery directly, but since we already have the little adapter already in place, we're just gonna plug it up. All right, so you can see right here, we got it plugged in. Follow the cord down, plugged up right here, and we can see that it is charging. Little flashing light keeps it charged, so the battery will stay nice and charged, so once the weather's nice, we'll be able to go riding. But that's easy enough. I recommend getting a charger if you don't already have one. It'll keep your battery charged and save you $100. So that way when you do want to go riding, you don't get stranded or you don't put on all your gear and get disappointed that it's not working. Well, that's it for now. Until this gas cap comes, that was a pretty easy install. I'm in love with the grips. They look pretty good. I'll see how they are when we go riding, but for now, they feel like they're pretty good. They're pretty grippy. They're pretty grippy for grips, which is stupid saying, but that's good. So, once the gas cap comes, we'll install that, and then we'll go from there.